Good morning, I'm Chris Beecham and these are your morning market headlines for Tuesday the 11th of September, with the FTSE down around 15 points at 57.80. Nervousness has set in once again ahead of what is another busy week for global markets. In the US, the Fed meeting for the month starts tomorrow, with the result announced on Thursday. Now, many have seen this as the cue for Bernanke to follow up on his speech at Jackson Hole and announce another program of easing of some sort or another. And of course, we face the possibility of disappointment if he once again decides to sit on his hands and do nothing. It is even more important week for Europe even after that ECB meeting, as tomorrow we have the German Constitutional Court ruling as they rule on the validity of the ESM in light of the German constitution, rejecting a last-minute plea to delay the ruling after the ECB meeting and how that affects the validity of the ESM. And we also have Dutch elections tomorrow, which are likely to produce a coalition government that is more Eurosceptic and more opposed to bailouts than its predecessors. Now, Burberry is illustrating the danger of being a corporate darling for the market. It's down 17% this morning after it warned that full-year profit would be at the low end of expectations after flat sales growth in the second quarter. Shares are now at around £11.35p, just above their lows for the year so far of £11.20p. Thankfully, it is a busy week for macro data, but not on the economic front. We have just the UK and US trade balance figures in the morning and the afternoon, respectively, today. And we expect the S&P to start around 3.5 points higher, around 1430, regaining some of yesterday's lost ground. That's it for me. Do follow us on Insight for more news and analysis.